Have you ever sat through a painfully generic PowerPoint and thought, there has to be a smarter way to build this? Today we're breaking down a move that could change presentations and how you interact with AI for good. OpenAI, the team behind ChatGPT, just acquired a startup called NextSlide. This isn't a routine tech acquisition. It's a signal about where AI-powered communication is headed next. Now let's dig into the details. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us keep pushing these boundaries. Now let's look at what this acquisition actually means. Here's the news. OpenAI has acquired NextSlide, a startup built around one mission: reimagining how presentations get made. The entire NextSlide team is now inside ChatGPT's ecosystem, bringing their tools and expertise directly into OpenAI's product. You might be thinking, aren't there already a dozen ways to build a slide deck? Fair point, but here's the difference. NextSlide wasn't just another design tool. It used generative AI to strip out the friction of slide building entirely. Its whole premise: go from a blank screen to a polished audience-ready deck in minutes, not hours. It's a game changer. This acquisition highlights a pivot from AI as a mere consultant to AI as a direct producer of finished work. In the past, you might have used ChatGPT to outline a strategy and then spent hours manually translating those ideas. By bringing NextSlide's engine under the OpenAI hood, that translation layer is effectively automated for every user. We're talking about a system that doesn't just suggest a chart, it designs the chart and picks the color palette.
It places it within a narrative flow that makes sense to a human audience, matching your brand's unique identity.
Now combine that with ChatGPT's existing muscle. Right now, ChatGPT can already write copy, answer questions, and help you brainstorm. Add the NextSlide team, and the next version of ChatGPT won't just write your content, it'll build your entire vision. It'll generate infographics, create data visualizations, and stitch your entire narrative together from a handful of simple prompts. No more wrestling with fonts, layouts, or bullet alignment at 11 p.m. before a big meeting. It's time saved. This is the difference between helpful AI and AI that actually replaces a chunk of your unglamorous workday. It gives you the freedom to focus on what matters. Let's ground this shift in the real corporate world. In corporate settings, people burn hours, sometimes entire days, building decks for sales pitches or project proposals. If you're not a designer, making a deck look credible is its own skill you probably don't have time for. NextSlide's AI was built to read your intent and output audience-ready slides using proven design templates and context-aware language. Pair that with ChatGPT's writing, and prepping for your next big pitch could be as simple as describing your goal. Think about a teacher generating a full week of lecture slides in the time it used to take to format one. Or a founder walking into an investor meeting with a polished deck built from a rough outline with zero budget. That's the scale of time this could give back to professionals everywhere. But what about the existing competitors in the space? You might be wondering, haven't tools like Canva, Gamma, and Beautiful.ai already been doing AI-generated slides for a while? Yes, they have. But here's what makes this move different. Those tools live outside your existing AI workflow. You jump platforms.
By folding NextSlide into ChatGPT, OpenAI removes that hop. The same conversation that brainstormed your strategy now builds your deck.
That's not just a feature upgrade, that's a workflow consolidation that makes a platform stickier and much harder to leave. It creates a psychological lock-in by making the tool the default starting point for every creative and professional task. This acquisition also tells you something about OpenAI's bigger play. ChatGPT is already evolving toward more complex multimodal tasks. This fits their broader mission: make AI more conversational, more productive, and genuinely useful in the parts of your day that cost time. The AI arms race isn't just about who builds the smartest chatbot anymore, it's about who can make AI do real work. Lesson plans, sales decks, board updates, client proposals. Every one of those is a task someone dreads, and now a target. Here's a ripple effect worth watching. As AI absorbs the packaging layer of work, what's left for humans is the thinking layer. That's a meaningful shift in what being good at your job means. It raises the bar for strategy and sharp judgment. This shift raises critical questions about the value of speed versus the value of craft in our daily professional lives. If packaging is a commodity, the differentiator becomes the quality of your prompt and the depth of your initial insight. For a business leader, this means the middle management of communication tasks is disappearing. You manage an output now. It forces a higher level of accountability on the content itself because the presentation is no longer the main effort. If a junior analyst no longer needs hours to format a deck, their value shifts entirely to their analysis and recommendations. That raises the bar on substance and lowers the bar on execution time, which is either exciting or unsettling. Let's be honest about the friction points too. Integrating a new team and technology into ChatGPT's platform isn't trivial at all. If they get it right, we're looking at a tool that feels as natural as talking to a colleague. If not, it's just bloat. Because if every deck starts looking the same, you lose the thing that makes a pitch memorable, your unique originality. Diversity of ideas and voice has to stay central, or the tool becomes a shortcut to mediocrity instead of a shortcut to quality. Bottom line, this isn't a random startup buyout. It's a calculated step toward making powerful AI tools the new default at work. The NextSlide team is already building inside ChatGPT right now, and you can expect these presentation features very soon. If you're already picturing how you'd use this, a sales pitch, a classroom, you're seeing exactly why this move matters. It matters more than it looks on the surface. It's about the fundamental way we communicate our best ideas to the world. If you're excited about where this is headed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. How would you use these tools?
How would AI-driven presentation tools change your day-to-day workflow? We'd love to hear your specific use cases.
And if you want to go even deeper, check out the related video in the corner. There's no slowing the AI wave. So make sure you're riding it, not getting swept away. The future belongs to those who adapt and innovate. See you in the next one, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible together. Stay curious.